Today we're making sweet and sour pickled cucumbers with red onion and caraway. First, start by thinly slicing English cucumbers into rounds. Next up, thinly sliced red onion. You're looking for about a cup. Add that to the cucumbers in the bowl and stir well, and then season with salt and pepper. To make the pickling liquid, I use 2 teaspoons of celery seed, 2 teaspoons of caraway seed, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I put all that in a mortar and ground it up with the pesto. You can also do this in a spice grinder. Next, I add 2 large bay leaves to a saucepan, and with that, 2 cups of water and 2 cups of red wine vinegar. To that, I will add half a cup of brown sugar and that pickling spice we just ground up a few minutes ago. Give it all a good stir and put it on the stovetop to heat until the brown sugar is dissolved. While that is heating, add your cucumbers and onions to a mason jar. Once the pickling spice is done, take it off the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Next, strain it into the jar with the pickles and onions. Add the lid on the jar and give the whole thing a good shake, making sure all of them are coated in that vinegar and spice mixture. Refrigerate for at least 24 hours, and you can use it as a sandwich condiment or on its own as a side dish. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.